As we head into the summer months, your garden is probably beginning to ramp up just like your summer activities. Now, while you probably figured out your vacation plans already and you've also probably thought about your pets, have you thought about your garden while you're away? The last thing you want to come home to after a relaxing vacation is to a dead garden. So you need to think about who's going to water your garden while you're away, also who's going to harvest your produce if you have a vegetable garden so that it doesn't go to waste, and finally think about who might mow your lawn while you're away, especially for an extended period of time, as that can be a good giveaway that you're not at home. Now, regardless of whether you're leaving or not and you're thinking about watering, one thing that will help your watering situation is to mulch your garden. Now, typically in a landscape garden, we will use hardwood mulch, but for a vegetable garden, you might consider something that's going to break down a little bit faster, such as cotton burrs or straw. Regardless of which mulch you choose, that's going to help the evaporation out of that soil profile and maintain that moisture in there, reducing how often you have to water and less stress on your plants. Also, as we head into June, you want to think about fertilizing your warm season grasses. Typically, warm season grasses will benefit from 1 pound of actual nitrogen per 1,000 square feet during those summer months. Now, keep in mind, you do not want to fertilize your cool season lawns as we head into those warmer months. Also, you may notice that the pesky June beetles will start to emerge out of your soil. And while they might be annoying, they're actually not doing much damage to your landscape at this point, as they're more interested in finding a mate. However, it is important to kind of note the volume of June beetles you're seeing, as that might be an indicator of how many pupae you're going to find in your soil profile a little bit later in July. Now, it's that pupa that is the most damaging to your landscape, as it's an aggressive turf grass root feeder. So it will do a lot of damage on your turf grass in July. And that's really when we're going to treat them. Also, as your strawberry plants quit producing later in June, you're going to want to thin your strawberry crowns to about a 12 to 24 inch spacing, and also side dress them with fertilizer. Finally, think about your trees. If you had winter wrap on your tree trunks, it's important to remove that wrap so that it doesn't harbor any insects or diseases as we go into the summer months. Here are a few more hort tips for the month of June.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.